Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my new Lego. It's right here, guys. It's a F1 Lego car, but it wasn't so hard to build it because it was just a 99 piece or 99 step Lego. So the cool part, it can actually drive or reverse, but not on its own. And it came with a minifig like this one. So guys, if you live in South Africa, I reckon you get from Toys R Us Lego or Toy Zone. So guys, today I'm gonna show you all the features of the Lego car. It's actually a F1 Lego car, but I just play with it, and yeah, today I'm gonna show you the whole thing. Comment your favorite F1 team: Red Bull, Ferrari, McLaren, anyone on is right. Mercedes. This one is a Mercedes one, and I choose who's the best, Max Verstappen, or Kimi Antonelli, or Piastri. So, or Leclerc, but I like every F1 driver. But today I'm gonna show this toy one. It's not real, and it's very small. Okay, bye guys.